Debt and loans. Priya needs 5,000 rupees to buy a sewing machine for her tailoring business. She could borrow from her friend, approach a bank, use a digital lending app, or even join a local self-help group. With so many ways to get a loan today, it's important to understand what debts and loans are and how they work. Debts and loans are closely related but have distinct meanings. A loan is the money you borrow, and debt is the total amount you owe, which includes the loan and any interest charged. In Priya's case, if she borrows rupees 5,000 from the bank, that rupees 5,000 is the loan. The debt is the total amount she owes, which includes the loan amount and the interest and any other charges. Why do we need loans? Loans give us immediate access to funds to fulfill a financial need that cannot be met immediately with our own funds. A loan allows to use money now and pay later. Loan comes in many forms designed for different needs. Here are some examples. Secured loans. These loans are backed by collateral like property or gold. Secured loans often have lower interest rates because the lender has security in case you default. Unsecured loans. These are based on trust and credit history with no collateral. Purpose-specific loans. Loans like education loans help to pay tuition fees, while home loans help you to buy or build a house. These loans are designed to meet specific needs. Some loans have fixed interest rates, while some have variable rates. Not all debt is the same. Good debt helps you invest in things that grow in value. Bad debt involves borrowing for things that do not grow in value. Credit card debt has high interest rates on borrowings and leads to huge debts if debt balances are not paid in time. Here are some ways people can access loans today. Banks give a variety of loans for different needs. This is the safest and most reliable option. Self-help groups, SHGs. SHGs offer their members small loans with flexible terms, often in rural or semi-urban areas. Microfinance institutions provide small loans to help entrepreneurs. Government initiatives. Government schemes such as PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMEGP, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, and Stand Up India scheme for women entrepreneurs support small businesses, especially for women and SC/ST groups. Buy now, pay later, BNPL, and EMI options. E-retailers and platforms offer EMI, equated monthly installment options for their goods. Digital lending apps. Many lenders offer quick loans with minimal paperwork. Getting loans has become relatively easy nowadays, but managing loans responsibly is an important skill too. There are many consequences of not repaying loans in time. Interest continues to accumulate, increasing your debt. Missed payments can make you ineligible for future borrowings. Lenders may take legal action. Defaulting could lead to financial instability or the loss of assets. Be sure to check loan terms, interest rates, and eligibility before applying. Ensure you understand the repayment schedule, hidden charges, and the overall cost of the loan to avoid financial strain. Priya has decided to take a loan from her self-help group. She is comfortable with the terms of her loan and is confident of being able to repay her loan on time. Is Priya's debt a good debt or a bad debt? Why do you think so? By understanding loans, managing repayments, and distinguishing between good and bad debt, you can pave the way to a financially secure future.